Day 2 getting started. Time check is 8:39. Yeah, 8:39. My hope for today is we got some staples I'm going to remove from the door casing, clean those up. Got some caulk lines where the old trim was in the walls. I'll clean those up. Got some holes I need to patch. I'm going to cover this cabinet, wrap it. I'm going to do the same thing. I need to pop this trim off because we're going to reuse it. Tape this cabinet off, tape that off, tape off the supply lines. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to texture the walls and the ceiling. And then we got to let that kind of firm up. Then we'll drag it. And then I actually have to go run to the store because we are out of Ditra. And then I need to finish laying Ditra all the way through here. I think that's about all I'm going to get done today just because of I have to let the walls dry. Otherwise, I'd start priming those and getting them ready for paint. But anyway, that's it. It's 8:39. Well, it's 8:40. 8:40, and we're going to get this show on the road. All right, well, the texture is done. It's still drying on the wall. Some of it's still wet. Shelly has knocked it down, and now I have to come by with a scraper and try to scrape up what is on the floor, because after that we are going to lay Ditra. So that is the progress we've made so far.